Hello guys, welcome to MAK Meals. This is Kanu back again for another episode. Before starting off this episode, I'm going to also thank you every single viewers and subscribers for giving so much support and love. And today we're going to make something in veggie one. And what are you going to make it? It's Malai Kofta, and that's way delicious and mouth-watering dish. I'm going to show you how easy. Okay, let's get started with making a kofta. For making a kofta, you need to make a dough that's a mixture of grated paneer, like the cottage cheese, some mashed potatoes, and some spices. Let's see. I have roughly 200 grams of grated paneer or like cottage cheese. I'm going to take in the bowl. So now we need to add some grated potatoes. So next goes some chopped coriander leaves, some grated carrots, and then it's time to add some spices. For spices, we're gonna add some salt, and we have some chili powder, we have some crushed ginger, and we have some garam masala going into it, some crushed cashew nuts and raisins. Lastly, we have some corn flour. So what corn flour does it? It's bind all the dough. Now I'm going to mix it properly and make a proper dough of that. The best thing is that we do not need to add some extra water because we have enough moisture in the paneer. So let's make this in small shapes. So make sure you make a proper smooth surface, because if you have to break it in the surface, it's going to break when you deep fry it. What I'm going to do is take this small shape. I'm going to roll this ball in the corn flour, make it a proper shape, and keep it aside. So now you see the balls are ready. I'm going to keep it for like roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Why is it so? Because the flavor will get enhanced. And in between, let's make the curry. Okay, let's get started with making the curry. We take 2 tablespoons of oil, roughly. That's enough. Then goes a handful of butter. That's a huge one, but it is a delicious one. That's why. Wait till the butter melts. So we can see the pot is like sufficiently hot. The first thing goes is some chopped onions. So now you can see the onions are like slightly golden in color. So it's time to add the next ingredient. So next goes like the tomatoes. Then we got some cashew nuts. Give it a proper mix. So keep on mixing for next 30 seconds. So now it's time to add the spices. The first spices, it's got the ginger garlic paste, some salt, some red chili powder, garam masala, add some sugar, and lastly we have some vinegar. Now add some water. Give it a proper mix. And now let it cook for next 5 minutes till the tomatoes get caramelized. So it's been like 5 to 7 minutes, and you can see all the tomato was like melted properly. So time to take it out and blend it to a fine puree. Yeah, so like the balls are like sitting in like more than like 15-20 minutes. Time to deep fry it. So now you can see the oil is really hot. So time to add the balls. So now you can see the balls are like golden in color. So time to take it out. Yeah, so now you can see I just blended the mixture to a fine puree, and it's time to get the finishing touch. To finishing touch, we're gonna add some cream. And lastly, there goes my favorite fenugreek leaves. Ooh, that is amazing. Let it cook for like next 5 minutes, and next our curry is ready. Yeah, so guys, you can see the kofta is ready as well as the curry is ready. So now is to mix together and complete the dish. But never mix the kofta to the curry, rather than put the curry over the koftas. And here is the Malai Kofta done. That smells so delicious. I hope you have fun cooking it. Click here for last video. Click here to subscribe. So I'll see you next time for more MAK Meals. Till then, bye bye.